Electrify your imagination with our DIY kit. Easy to build, kid-friendly, unlimited fun and handmade in India.
Hi, welcome to Shogini Toys Ultimate Digital Party Kit. Project 12, Police Car Light plus Siren. Now for this, you should have completed Project 11. The manual says complete and test Project 7 and then connect a wire from C12 to H24. That makes it Project 11. So Project 11, you complete and test it and it looks like this. When you switch on, Project 11 has two LEDs blinking one after the other. Okay, so now to this, we will add the buzzer sound. Let's switch it off and connect one wire from J18 to negative. Instead of the wire A12 to A18, you can also connect from A18 to G22. When you do this, you will notice that the brightness of both the LEDs are identical. So one change that we made is, instead of A12 to A18, we have connected A18 to G22. And when you switch it on, you will notice that the LEDs are blinking one after the other and siren from the buzzer is coming. Perfect. Let's move on.
Build, learn, and create. Unleash your inner engineer with our DIY electronic kit.